the phonic sound of F and G. है ना, हम लोगों ने phonic sounds पढ़ा था ना, F और G. Yes, and today we will learn the phonic sound of H and I. H and I. H for horse, I for ice cream. Yes, now take out your book, your English book. Yes, and take out page number 17. 17. Yes. See, do you know this alphabet? Correct. This is H. H for hat. H for hat. Yeah, you have to fill color in this H. See, this is capital H and this is small h. Okay, this is capital H and this is small h. Draw lines from the letter H to animals or things whose names begin with its sounds. See, what is the phonic sound of letter H? H. Yes, the phonic sound of letter H is H. Yeah. Say with me. H. Yes, correct. The phonic sound of letter H is H. Yes. See, some animals or things are drawn here, है ना? कुछ animals और things बने हुए हैं यहाँ. तो you have to match these things whose name begin with its sound. मतलब जो H से start होने वाले चीज हैं, जो word H letter से start होते हैं और या फिर जिनका sound H से start होता है, उनको आपको मैच करना है. Okay, let's start. See, the first one is horse. Horse. Yeah, it starts with the H, means H. Yeah, match it. Then hand. Hand. Yeah, it also starts with letter H. Hand. Then last is hut. Hut. Yes, it also starts with the H. Match it. Then hammer. Hammer. It also starts with the H. Now connect it with the H. Then what is this? What is this? Hand. This is hand. 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 It also starts with the letter H. Yes. Match it with the letter H. Then last one is yes, bed. And bed does not start with the letter H. It starts with the B. Bat. Bat means letter B. Yes. तो हम इसको मैच नहीं करेंगे. Okay. Now come to next page. Page number 18. Yes. Now in page number 18, what is the alphabet? Do you know this alphabet? Yes, this is letter I. Letter I. Yes, I for ice cream. Yeah, ice cream सबको पसंद है? सब खाते हैं आइस क्रीम? Yes. हाँ, तो अब हम क्या करेंगे इसमें? Circle the animal or thing whose name begin with the sound of letter I. Okay, do you know the phonic sound of I? E. E is the phonic sound of I. Say along with me. E. E. Yes. E सी, अब यहाँ जो बने हुए हैं, है ना, एनिमल्स और थिंग्स बने हुए हैं, उनमें आपको यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ सर्कल whose names begin with the sound of letter I. Okay. See, the first one कौन सा है? Igloo. 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 Yes. Circle the igloo. Then ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Yes. It also starts with the letter I. Yes. Then flies. This is flies. And it starts with the flies. Flies. है ना? Yes. Then horse. 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 So it does not start with the letter I. Yes. Now write letter I in the blanks. Read the words that you have just completed. देखिए अब नीचे में जो बना हुआ है उसको रीड करते हैं ना. We have to read this. See, the first one is bin. Dustbin. You know na dustbin? Yes. B-I-N bin. B-I-N bin. Listen, what is the sound of I is coming? Bin. B-I-N bin. Yes. Then P-I-N pin. P-I-N pin. P-I-N pin. Then B-I-B bib. B-I-B bib. B-I-B